Well, here we are, guys. Part 2 of this video install on the BMW X6, the E71 shape. This particular customer chose, of course, our Premier service, so it's pick up, drop off, and we run around all the shops getting all the work done. So as you can see now, we have a fantastic head unit in this car. In fact, what I'll do is, if I pop open the sunroof, we get some glorious sun coming through from the UAE, and we are in the Emirate of Ajman at the moment, because part of the Premier service means that we run around our network of 5 shops, and in fact there should be number 6 coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and we can work out where's the best place to get certain work done. For example, this particular head unit, the 10.25-inch Android, was put in by a master technician in our international city branch, and as you can see, it's transformed the vehicle as well. I mean, really and truly, anyone who knows Audio Direct has seen lots of these installs now, so you know what these systems are capable of. I mean, this is fully functioning to say the absolute least. You can hook up DVRs on this. You've got in fact, one of my favorite screens, give a bit of rev, you can see the rev needles jump up there as well, and especially in the evening, this thing is just it's hot. So lots of functions as well, and here we go, a bit of video for you as well. We've got USB in there, and you'll see it's going to jump to absolute full screen. Let's touch it, and there you go. And super high res, high quality there. Really good. So now we're at our second branch, and as mentioned, as part of this premium service that we now offer, we're here to get some appraisals done for the customer and give him some prices and options for the speaker upgrade on this particular thing. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this presentation, of course, on this BMW E71 X6, where we've just upgraded it to a 10.25-inch Android screen, and hopefully we're going to have you as part of our next ever-growing in-car entertainment family. 𝗕𝗠𝗪 from Audio Direct. Thanks very much.